9 ways to become 10 times better every day. Let me begin with a question that might shake you a little. Are you genuinely living the life you desire, or just going through the motions? Are you waking up with purpose, or are you stuck in loops of the same routines? The same habits, the same outcomes? Here's something to consider. According to a long-term Harvard study, the people who consistently improve over time aren't driven by luck or talent. They succeed because of one simple thing daily: intentional action. It's not about one big breakthrough. It's about small steps taken repeatedly with purpose. So picture this: you open your eyes each morning, driven by a mission, filled with confidence, and determined to become a better version of yourself than you were yesterday. You don't have to wait for a new year, a perfect moment, or anyone's approval. You start now. The gap between where you are and where you want to be. It's not a cliff. It's a bridge built with consistent habits, a sharp mindset, and daily decisions that move you forward. In this lecture, I'm going to share 9 powerful ways to become 10 times better every single day. But don't just watch, participate. After each point, take a moment to reflect. Ask yourself honestly, am I doing this? And then act on it. Because real change doesn't come from listening. It comes from doing. Are you ready to rise up? Let's get started. 1. Practice daily self-reflection. Let's kick things off with something deceptively simple, yet incredibly powerful: daily self-reflection. When was the last time you paused to truly evaluate your day? Not just what happened, but how you responded to it. Most people rush from one moment to the next, without ever taking stock of their choices, their wins, or their missteps. But here's a truth few recognize: without reflection, growth is just guesswork. High performers don't just move forward. They review, assess, and adjust. They ask themselves each night, what did I handle well today? Where did I fall short? What can I improve tomorrow? It doesn't have to be complicated. Grab a cheap notebook or use your phone's notes app. Before you sleep, jot down one thing you learned. Maybe it's a lesson from a mistake, a small success, or a moment that changed your thinking. Doing this consistently builds awareness. It reveals patterns. It sharpens your ability to adapt. Without it, you're just reacting to life instead of leading it. Here's your challenge. Tonight, before your head hits the pillow, pause. Write down a single lesson from your day. Do it again tomorrow. Keep going for a week. Watch how your clarity sharpens, your confidence builds, and your direction becomes obvious. Reflection isn't about looking back with regret. It's about moving forward with purpose. 2. Read one chapter every day. Let's talk about something that world's top achievers have in common. They're lifelong learners. People like Warren Buffett, Elon Musk, and Bill Gates aren't just action takers, they're readers. And here's why. Books are condensed wisdom. One chapter a day can completely shift how you think, how you solve problems, and how you approach your goals. A book is like having a one-on-one conversation with a brilliant mind. It's mentorship in printed form. Now, maybe you're thinking, I'm not a big reader. That's okay. You don't need to devour an entire novel in one sitting. Start with 10 pages a day. That's manageable. And guess what? 10 pages daily adds up to around 18 full-length books in a year. Imagine what kind of person you'll become after absorbing that much knowledge. Your decisions will be smarter. Your thinking clearer. Your mindset stronger. Here's your action step. Choose a book today. Not tomorrow. Not when life gets quieter. Today. Whether it's a biography, a mindset book, or a classic, pick something that challenges and grows your thinking. Commit to reading one chapter before bed. Make it part of your evening ritual. You're not just reading, you're upgrading your brain. One chapter at a time. 3. Unplug digitally every night. Let's face it, your phone might be your biggest distraction. The endless pings, the late night scrolling, the non-stop notifications. It all chips away at your focus, energy, and peace of mind. Ask yourself honestly, how many hours do you spend on your screen? Not being productive, but just existing online? If you want to become 10 times better, you've got to protect your attention like it's gold, because it is. Here's a simple yet powerful habit. Set a nightly cutoff time for screens. Let's say 10 p.m. after that. It's lights out for your devices, no social feeds. No emails, no endless videos. Put your phone in another room if you need to. That's not weakness, it's strategy. Instead, spend that time doing something intentional. Journal your thoughts, finish your reading, or simply relax. You'll go to bed with a clearer mind and wake up refreshed, not mentally fogged by digital overload. Your focus will sharpen and your productivity will rise. Here's your challenge. Pick a time tonight to go screen-free. Set an alarm. When it rings, power down the distractions and do something purposeful instead. Even one night of digital detox will reveal how much mental space you've been giving away and how good it feels to take it back. Reclaim your nights and you'll regain control of your days. 4. Learn something new every day. When was the last time you tried something that stretched your mind? A new skill, a new idea, a random fact, anything that made you stop and think, that's interesting. That spark you feel? That's growth. And your brain thrives on it. The truth is, if you're not learning, you're not evolving. And if you're not evolving, you're falling behind slowly, silently. Every day, make it your mission to learn just one new thing. It doesn't need to be big or flashy. It could be a new word, a new tool, a fun recipe, or a tip from a podcast. It's about staying curious and keeping your mind active. 10 minutes of daily learning adds up fast. Over time, those little lessons compound into real knowledge and real confidence. You don't need hours of free time. You just need intention. Here's your challenge. Think of something you've always wanted to know or do. Whether it's learning a language, improving a skill, or understanding a new topic, take one small step today. Look it up, watch a tutorial. Practice for 10 minutes. Don't aim for mastery, just aim for movement. Every new thing you learn is like a brick in the foundation of your better self. Stack those bricks daily and watch your future take shape. 5. Spend 30 minutes with just yourself. The world is always buzzing messages. Notifications, voices, and noise coming at you nonstop. But in all that chaos, when was the last time you truly sat alone with your own thoughts? That quiet space? It's powerful. It's where clarity lives. It's where you reset your energy and reconnect with your inner compass. Daily alone time is not a luxury. It's a necessity. Set aside 30 minutes each day, no screens, no conversations, no multitasking. Just you. Go for a walk, sit in silence, journal, meditate. Think, breathe. You'll be surprised how many answers surface when the noise fades away. In those moments, you'll rediscover your goals, solve lingering problems, and uncover truths you've been too busy to notice. Solitude sharpens self-awareness, and in today's distracted world, that's a serious advantage. Here's your challenge. Find a quiet spot today, maybe a park bench, your balcony, or a quiet room. Set a timer for 30 minutes. No agenda, no expectations. Just sit with yourself. Let your mind wander. Listen in. You may reconnect with a forgotten dream, find clarity on a decision, or simply feel more grounded. Make this a daily habit and watch your inner strength and peace of mind rise. 6. Set one small goal every day. Here's a powerful truth. Big dreams don't crumble because they're too big. They crumble because they're never broken into pieces small enough to conquer. Success isn't about giant leaps. It's about tiny, consistent steps forward. The key to real progress? Momentum. And momentum is built through daily wins. So instead of saying, I want to achieve greatness, ask yourself, what's one thing I can do today that brings me closer? It could be anything: writing one paragraph, making a call you've been avoiding, going for a 20-minute jog, or learning one new concept. Keep it small, clear, and non-negotiable. Knock it out. Then repeat tomorrow. These little wins stack up over time. And what you'll find is this. They don't just move you forward, they build confidence, discipline, and belief in yourself. That's how mountains are climbed one solid step at a time. Here's your action step. Right now, choose one specific, doable goal for today. Write it down. Make it real. Maybe it's read 10 pages, clean your desk, or drink 2 liters of water. Whatever it is, do it. Then do another tomorrow. Those daily victories, they form a chain of progress you won't want to break. And before long, you'll realize you're no longer chasing success, you're living it. 7. Build a circle that elevates you. Let me share a timeless truth. You rise or fall to the level of the people around you. Take a good look at your circle. Who do you talk to most? Who do you listen to? Are they pulling you forward or holding you back? If you want to grow faster, think clearer and aim higher. Your environment has to support that. You can't climb if you're surrounded by anchors. You need voices that encourage you, challenge you, and remind you of who you're becoming. Start being intentional. Look for people who inspire progress, those chasing purpose, not comfort. Seek mentors, growth-minded communities, and content that pushes you to be better. Your surroundings shape your standards, so raise them. Here's your challenge for the week. Find one new influence that pushes you upward. Maybe it's a mentor online, a personal development podcast, or a group that shares your goals. Connect, listen, engage. Get around energy that lifts you. Growth isn't just about effort, it's about atmosphere. Surround yourself with the right people, and you'll naturally start becoming your best self without even realizing it. 8. Celebrate the small wins. Most people wait for massive success before they allow themselves to feel proud. The promotion, the big launch, the final result. But here's the secret. Greatness is built on the little wins stacked day after day. If you want to stay motivated and keep moving forward, you've got to learn how to celebrate the small steps. Every time you follow through on a habit, whether it's finishing a workout, sticking to your reading plan, or completing a task you kept putting off, pause and reward yourself. It doesn't need to be fancy. Maybe it's a quiet break, a favorite snack, or just telling yourself, well done. These simple moments of recognition train your brain to crave consistency. They keep your energy high and your mindset positive. Here's your challenge. Pick one win from today, big or small, and acknowledge it. Did you complete your small goal? Did you resist a distraction? That's progress. Celebrate it. Even a mental high five counts. When you make the journey feel rewarding, you'll stop dreading discipline and start enjoying it. Keep showing up, keep winning, and keep recognizing every step forward. That's how momentum becomes unstoppable. 9. End your day with gratitude. Let's close with a powerful shift that can completely transform how you view your life. Gratitude. Before you sleep tonight, take a moment to reflect on what went right. Not everything has to be perfect. Just focus on what made you smile, what helped you grow, or what reminded you that life is still full of good. Gratitude is more than a feel-good exercise. It rewires your mind. It helps you stop chasing what's missing and start appreciating what's already present. That mindset shift, it breeds resilience, joy, and inner peace, things money can't buy. So tonight, pause. Think of 3 things you're thankful for. They could be as simple as a quiet moment, a kind word, or something you learned today. Speak them out loud or write them down. It doesn't matter how, it only matters that you do it. Here's your action step. Make this a nightly ritual. Reflect, appreciate, and reset. You'll go to sleep with a lighter heart and wake up with a clearer focus. Gratitude isn't just about saying thanks. It's about training your mind to see how far you've come. And when you make that a habit, you'll start each day feeling powerful, not lacking. Here's what I challenge you to do. Choose one habit from today's list. Just one. Maybe it's keeping a journal, reading a chapter, or ending your night with gratitude. Write it down. Speak it aloud. Then commit to doing it, not tomorrow, not next week, right now. Because the future version of you, the stronger, smarter, more fulfilled version is being built by the decisions you make today. So let me ask you, are you going to stay stuck or are you ready to rise? The path is in front of you. The next move is yours. Step forward and become 10 times better. You've already got what it takes. Now let the world see it. Drop your decision in the comments. What habit are you starting today? Let's elevate together.